Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we are discussed about the atom. What is an atom and relative sizes. We are discussed about the atomic radii also. We are discussed some of the atoms we are taken as atoms and molecule and their radii also. We are discussed hydrogen, water molecule, hemoglobin molecule, grain of sand. These are all we are discussed about their radii. The smallest particle of an matter is called atom according to Dalton. Okay, now today I am going to discuss about what are the modern day symbols of atoms of different elements. Modern day symbols. Nowadays we are discussing about for suppose hydrogen means H, first letter we are taking, and calcium means Ca, first and second letter we are taking. These are the symbols. But olden days, Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements in very specific sense. Who used the symbols first? First used the symbols by Dalton only. But he used the symbols specific sense. A very specific sense he is used. Okay. What are that symbol? First we have to discuss. What are the modern day symbols of atoms of different elements? What are the modern day symbols? What are the modern day symbols of atoms? Atoms of different elements. Atoms of different elements. Different elements. Okay, what are the modern day symbols of atoms of different elements? Who is the first scientist to use the symbols for elements in very specific sense? Dalton. Dalton was the first scientist. Dalton was the first scientist. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements in a very specific sense. In a very specific sense. Specific sense. Specific sense. When he used a symbol for an element, he also meant a definite quantity of that element. That is, one atom of that element. That is one atom of that element. When he used a symbol for an element, he also meant a definite quantity of that element. That is one atom of that element. But Berzelius suggested that the symbols of elements be made from one or two letters of the name of the element. Dalton given the symbols is different, and Berzelius suggested that the symbols of elements be made from one or two letters, first letter or second letter of the element. For suppose hydrogen, first letter is a H. For suppose carbon, first letter C. Carbon spelling C-A-R-B-O-N, first letter is a C. These symbols, carbon C, hydrogen H, oxygen O, these are given by Berzelius. Symbols are given at the first. Symbols are given by Berzelius. Dalton also he given, but he did not given the English letters. He did not given the symbols for elements to English letters. Okay, Dalton how he is given? He given the one type of structures each and every element. I will show the structures. Now Berzelius Berzelius suggested that the symbols of element made from one or two letters of the name of the elements. Berzelius suggested that the symbols of elements made from one or two letters of the name of the elements. Okay. According to Dalton, symbols of some elements as proposed by Dalton, this is the first letter. This is a hydrogen symbol. According to Dalton, now I am explaining about the according to Dalton. According to Berzelius, he suggested that the symbols of elements be made from one or two letters of the name of the element. One or two letters he take it according to Berzelius. But according to Dalton, he given the symbol like this. This is a hydrogen symbol. This is and this one is a phosphorus. This is a phosphorus. This is a copper. In middle C. This is a copper. And next one gold. G. Gold. And next carbon. This is a sulfur. Next lead. Next platinum. In the middle P. Platinum. Next symbol oxygen. Oxygen means simple O. Circle. This is a circle. Oxygen. Next iron. In the middle I. This is a iron. And next one silver. This is a silver. In the middle S. And next mercury. This is a mercury. This is the mercury. Symbols. Symbols for some elements. Proposed by who proposed this symbol? Proposed by Dalton. Okay, so this is the symbols for some elements proposed by Dalton. According to Dalton, hydrogen symbol is like this, and phosphorus is like this, and copper, the circle C, and gold symbol is like this, and carbon, and sulfur, lead, platinum, and oxygen, iron, silver and mercury. So these are the symbols according to Dalton. What about the according to Berzelius? According to Berzelius, symbols are given by the from the letters, one or the two letters, first one or second one letter, one or the two letters of the name of element. Berzelius taken from the name of element first and second letter. From the name of element, he taken first or second letter, one or two letters.